The AQUAFYSH All-in-One Pool Vacuum uses a magnetic drive system that cuts down on wear and tear, so it runs smoothly with very little maintenance over time. Its convertible head works well in both pools and spas, and the shallow water mode makes it especially handy for hot tubs and tight corners that many vacuums miss. The upgraded direct current motor moves an impressive amount of water per hour, and the long run time on a full charge is enough to clean a small or medium pool without stopping. Ultra-fine filtration captures very small debris that would slip through standard baskets, leaving the water noticeably clearer after a single pass. The included skimmer net, brush, and filter socks make it a complete cleaning kit, so you can tackle surface leaves, stuck on grime, and fine particles with one purchase. Thoughtful extras like oil-absorbing sponges and an overall solid build quality make this vacuum feel more like a well-designed pool care system than a simple gadget.